This is gonna get hotter. I'm hot already. I imagine it was the, yeah, I don't know. It was one of those two things. Definitely. Got me a new door in it! What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of the Wimpy Brothers. And welcome to an absolute scorcher of a day here in Bourgogne, France. Hang on a minute. Okay, yeah, back working on project Golf GTI. Obviously in the last episode we were pretty much coming around the front, trying to rebuild as much as possible. I'm still waiting on the bracket for the front and the fog light, but anyway. So yeah, in the last episode we did pop open the box to see the new door, but let's go and have a bit of a closey-goosey ganders exactly what I've picked up. So here it is back. Now this is in pristine condition and it's got the window actually inside. You can't actually obviously see it because it's tucked in there. And obviously let me just flip this around. Hang on. Basically, this was a real big decision, sort of a game-changing decision for me. The fact that it had everything all plumbed in. Yeah, and like I say, it has the window all contained inside. So I believe I paid 440 euros for this door, complete delivery, taxes included. Yeah, that was worth it. What do you think? Good, right? So to kick things off with this door, I'm going to have a quick goosey ganders in the old Wimpy cabane, and I'm just going to sort of plonk everything down there that I think is sort of that door related, that's obviously off the original car. So do it. Voila. Well, that should be kind of enough to get us started, I guess. Okay, right. The question, obviously the burning question, is how much of it can just be directly transported over to the new door. Now the first thing I tried, being as you know, I like my kicking beats. Yeah, I thought, yeah, let's see if the speaker, the Fender speaker, can plug in. Nope. It looks as if, but certainly all this wiring might need to come out. Now let's grab the old one. Okay, this is gonna get hotter. I'm hot already. Time to get some beats on, and I'm gonna get the speaker swapped out, this harness swapped out, and we'll go from there, shall we? And do it. Do it. Boom, so there we go. Okay, that was all quite straightforward, to be fair. I'd say everything kind of plugged into the electric motor. Everything plugged in perfect. They haven't got the same part number on, but maybe they do just the same job. But yeah, the Fender speaker's in. Most of the main thing, it's going to kick out some better beats. So now I'm going to clear up this of the old stuff and start having a look at getting this door card potentially wanged on. Okay, so I've been having a good look over certainly the door card and the door, and yeah, I've started to have a look at the door handle. Now this door handle has a little indent line in there, and obviously some wires that go around the back. That must be for the keyless entry and all whatnot. The one on the back of this door doesn't have those lines. And I was thinking, well, where would that plug in? Where would that door handle plug in? And yeah, it sort of plugs in, actually plugs into here now. So this is off the original door. You can see obviously the cable comes out here, and this cable obviously is the one that plugs into there, and obviously that should be coming out of there. So this door obviously doesn't have that keyless entry or jubbins on that door handle, so all that has obviously got to get, yeah, wanged on into there. I had a little peek inside there, and because the window is obviously down inside, you couldn't actually do much work over there anyway. So I'm thinking the next step is probably to get this old door off and the new one in place, try and plug it in, and then obviously try and get the window up, and then start continuing working, perhaps pulling everything out. Now that shouldn't be too much of a problem. It's just the weight of that door getting it on. Yeah, I think I might have to put a call out to the old French brother-in-law. In the meantime, to the Wimpy van, get some tools, and let's get this bad boy off and do it. Yeah, this is one of them great ideas, or really bad ideas. I'm going to try and balance the door on there, and hopefully that should support all the weight, meaning that I can hopefully thread the bolt in. What do you reckon? Let's give it a try. Wish me luck. Let's do it. It's on. Wow, that was a bit of a struggle. Like I say, I just couldn't wait. I just thought, just give it a go. And yeah, balancing it actually, yeah, didn't know scratches, didn't knock it into anything. Just sort of, just about managed it. But yeah, panel gaps wise, I'm not going to get too bent up on panel gaps for the minute. Next task is, yes, to start plumbing stuff into this door. Time to grab the door card, pluggy, and yeah, let's see if we can get this window open. Closed. Get it closed. Yeah. Here we go. Right, up you go. What? Ah, okay, well that didn't quite go to plan. I'm gonna try and operate it from the driver door. No, quite a lot of beeping going on. Right, so yeah, it's zero movement there. I mean, can only assume that I just need to keep swapping out parts. I say I don't think the window's jammed in there because I didn't hear the motor even trying to kick on. So I'm thinking either the control unit potentially needs to be swapped, whatever this thing is, and potentially the motor. So let's just switch them both out and try it again. Let's go. Do it. Yes! Yeah, boy! Boom! Happy face. I should have really done perhaps one by one, that way we could have seen which one it was. I imagine it was the... yeah, I don't know. It was one of those two things. Definitely. Well, this seems like a pretty, well, I say straightforward-ish transplant. It's just not the best access. Right. But before we get cracking on that door, okay, time for coffee and comments. Right, here's a question for you. Right, Nürburgring, you got 10 laps, one car. What's it going to be? Yeah, I have to admit, I am struggling with this one myself, but I promise by the end of this episode, I'll let you know what I'll go for. Well, there it is. The door, all the jubbin's completely removed. I've been busy opening all the baggies in the bag RF front door. Right, front door, yeah. And yeah, I think I've got everything I need, so now it's just to start wanging it all back in and do it. Wham! Well, that was quite nice and easy. Right now, I think, like I say, everything seems to be going up and down. I didn't check if it's actually locking. There's a thought. The key's stuck in my pocket. Locked. Unlock. Yeah. Wham! Excellent. Yeah, this is the exciting bit. I like this bit. Yeah, I'll go wing mirror next, just in case I need to take anything off. There she is. Whoa. Right. Just 2 bolts. Where does this come through then? Hang on. Been a waddy there, and by riveting the speaker in, yeah, I'm not going to be able to put my hand in to grab the cable and thread it through. Right. I'm going to try and thread it without removing the speaker, but I think that's exactly what I'm going to have to do. Let's try it. Well, I'm not sure what the cover next to mirror. I thought it was for those little holes there, but anyway, I need to get moving on quickly because, yeah, Edith was saying it was going to rain this afternoon, and I was like, nah, it can't be. But yeah, I'm not sure if you picked it up on there's like thunder and all sorts coming from over there. Yeah, definitely the rain is coming. I really want to get the store card on. I really want to get it all plumbed in. I really just want to get this door complete. So, right, let's up and at 'em. Let's go for it. Door card. Do it. It's coming. Right, let's get. Yeah, now the door is on, wing mirror on. I've just sort of positioned this little window in place, but yeah, starting to look good. Starting to look good. Let's just have a look at this. Yeah. But yeah, it's all looking, the interior, obviously the front end, it's all sort of starting to come together. And yeah, it just leaves me to do one thing, because I've been dying to have a little cheeky listen to this sound system and yeah, see what it's like now with a front door. Yeah. Yeah. All looking good. Now it's time to put on the beats. Yeah. Tune. Yeah, cool, man. This sounds great. Loving it. Obviously, there's still the sub that's got to go in the back. There's a subwoofer that goes in place of kind of around inside the spare wheel. The door speakers still to go in the back, but yeah, sounds good. I'm digging this fender upgrade. Time to whip the cover on, and yeah, hopefully just in time before the rain comes. Well, I only just managed to escape that rainstorm, blimey, but yes, even though it's called timeout on today, I'm still really pleased with how much we managed to get done. The full installation of the door, all plugged in, all on, and now that side of the car is actually starting to look really good. But yeah, in the next episode, I'll be looking at tackling that other rear door. Like I say, that's going to be a different ball game. I am attempting to repair that door, so yeah, hopefully I'm up to the task. We'll see. And guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed the episode and I hope you're enjoying this GTR build. If you are, please smash that like button and hit me up with your comments and thoughts down below. I love getting your comments and thoughts. It means a lot, so please keep them coming. And more importantly, If it doesn't say subscribe down there already, then consider joining the Wimpy Brotherhood. Hit subscribe. Do it. Do it. Do it. But as always, guys, up and Wimpy, you've been awesome for watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next episode. Aight, laters. You got 10 laps, one car. I have to say, I did really struggle this one. I was like, Nissan GTR Nismo, yeah, that'd be really good for that track. In the end, I went for, you can, yeah, Lamborghini Huracan Performante, is that how you pronounce it? Anyway, check it out. That thing is awesome. I'd have it in that colour as well. To be honest, that is one of my dream cars, and I believe it's one of the fastest round the Nürburgring, but not that I'd ever be driving it that fast. I'm too much of a wimp. Can't wait to see what you guys are going to go for. Like I say, let me know. See you soon.